So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your logo bigger in Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is go over to your admin panel. It will look something like this. So you can see home, contact, markets, analytics, stuff like that. You can see sales channels with online store as well as apps, settings and stuff like that. So go to online stores and you can see themes, pages and preferences. So click on themes. Once you've clicked on that, you can see actions, you can see customize. So click on customize. And from here, you can see a layout similar to this one. So from here, you can see announcement bar, header, section, template, footer, and stuff like that. So on here, you can see sections, theme settings, and app embeds. I suggest you go to theme settings since it's going to be easier to set up your logo through there. So click on that and right away, you will see logo, colors, typography, layout, and many more options underneath. So let's just click on the first option, which will be logo. From here, you can see logo, explore free images. So if you added some logo image, you can choose the width and you can even add a favicon. So it's displayed in pixels. So your width of logo will vary depending on how much pixels you want for it to be used. And from there, you can see the width of the logo is going to be changed as well. So that's how you can resize your logo in Shopify. It's quite a simple process. Just make sure that you've added a picture, and from there you can toggle how much of the logo is visible on a page. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.